Understanding a baptism of fire. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles language learners: a baptism of fire. This phrase is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. A baptism of fire refers to a person's first experience of a new and difficult situation that is extremely challenging but ultimately leads to their development or improvement. The phrase is often used to describe a situation where someone is thrown into a tough scenario without much preparation, forcing them to learn quickly or adapt to survive or succeed. The origins of this phrase can be traced back to religious texts and military language. Historically, baptism is a ritual of purification or initiation, often involving water. However, the concept of a fire baptism emerged as a metaphor for trial or suffering that leads to spiritual renewal or salvation. In military contexts, it referred to a soldier's first experience in battle, highlighting the intense and transformative nature of the experience. You can use this phrase to describe any first experience that is particularly challenging or intense. For example, starting a new job in the middle of a major project was a baptism of fire for Jamie. Her first day in the stock market was a baptism of fire, with extreme volatility testing her decision-making skills. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in professional, personal, and educational contexts to convey the idea of being tested or undergoing a difficult initiation process. I hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing phrase, a baptism of fire. Understanding such expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and help you convey complex ideas more effectively. Whether you're navigating the challenges of learning a new language or facing your own baptism of fire in other areas of life, remember that these experiences can lead to significant growth and improvement. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.